Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer, and in this opportunity, it's a pleasure to be here again with you. And I'm going to explain a little bit about this lesson plan online, okay? The topic for this class is, the class is online. The lesson plan topic is weather and season, learning level elementary school, and the class left 45 minutes. 45 minutes. The class size 10 students. Description of the students. We are going to be work with 10 students aged between 10 and 12 years old. Their purpose is learning vocabulary relating to weather and seasons. The objectives at the end of this class, the student will be able to describe the weather, to explain and identify the different types of weather: sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy, stormy. The language function, different types of weather: sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy, and stormy. And the language structure is sunny. The techniques, the integrating skills. The techniques for this is PP, procedure. Let me explain that why is this. The PPMP produces, which is the most common technique from the middle of the 1960s. Okay, and the first part is the word up. The teacher start with the first activity, a roulette with question, where the teacher chooses some student. He or she motivates them to participate to know more about their knowledge. Teacher spin the roulette and the student press a hand button to answer the question on it. Teacher gives them, in order to participate, the questions are relating to the weather and seasons. The teacher spent 10 minutes in this activity. And let's move on to the link. The first link is in the word. Let me check. It's in the word world. This is the first activity that we have with as a teacher, and is, if you can see, it's a roulette, and there are some questions for the student, like what's your favorite season. So the student need to answer what is the favorite, and this activity is to know about their knowledge. They spend 10 minutes, I said. Yeah. In the presentation, the topic, the teacher shows the student a Canva presentation in where to introduce the topic, weather and seasons. After, move on to the presentation. As you can see, that is a Canva presentation. Where is this greetings? Welcome to the English class. Now that is the second class for this elementary school, weather and season. But we need to have vocabulary. After the teacher introduced the topic, to send them a YouTube links where the student can watch and learn vocabulary about weather. So move on to the link for this presentation. Weather vocabulary.
Sunny, the sky is clear, and the sun is shining brightly. Cloudy, the sky is covered with clouds, blocking the sun. Rainy, it's raining, and water is falling from the sky. windy, the wind.
As you can see, there are some words about vocabulary for weather and the definition so the student can learn about it. But the season also. It describes this. Let me share about
Predicting weather changes. Seasons, different times of the year with distinct weather patterns. Spring, the season of new growth, warmer temperatures, and flowers blooming. Summer, the hottest season with longer days and outdoor activities. Fall, also known as autumn, when leaves change color and temperatures cool. Winter, the coldest season, often with snow and holidays. Months.
As you can see, this video is around 5 minutes, but also the teachers give the presentation the students, and he or she spends 15 minutes in this presentation and see this link where the student can learn about vocabulary and the weather and seasons. Okay, and then practice. The teacher gives instruction. Oh, but let me show about the presentation. As you can see, there are some objectives. The first is describe the weather, explain the different types of weather: sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy, and stormy. But then there is a definition about weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at particular place and time. It describes whether the atmosphere is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy, windy or still. Okay, there are a definition of windy. Wind is moving air. When the air is moving very fast, the weather is windy. Sunny weather. Sunny weather happens when the sky is clear or has few clouds. As you see in that picture, the sun's rays shine through and warm sun-brightened air. And then cloudy weather, a cloudy day, the clouds block the most of the sun's rays from searching the earth's surface. Rainy weather happens when the weather falls from clouds. Clouds are made of tiny weather droplets, and when these droplets become too heavy, they fall to earth as raining. Stormy weather typically involves strong windy, rainy, and heavy rain, thunds, and lightning. It can also bring hail or snow. Stormy weather can also be accompanied by high waves and rough seas. The season, as I mentioned in the video, different times of the year with distinct weather patterns: summer, spring, autumn, winter. And that is all about the presentation. But welcome back to plan presentation. Okay, and then we have a practice. The teacher gives instruction about next activity and says what they have to do, what the student have to do. The student make 2 groups of 5 in where they have to discuss each other and choose their favorite weather and seasons. And they spend around 10 minutes in this activity because they need to practice the conversation, the dialogue between us. And then we have the production then of the activity where the student discusses about weather and season. One of each group had to search to the rest of the class the reasons why they should these answers. The teacher will evaluate the production of speaking skills. So the teacher all the time, see the pronunciation, if the correct how do you say that? Well, let me see, words and vocabulary and definition about this topic, about the vocabulary they learn. In the end, teacher sends a link to the students where, well, in the production they spend around 5 minutes. In the end, teacher sends a link to student where there is a quiz. They see some picture and sentences about weather and season. Students have to choose one of four options. They check the answer together. Let's move on again to the other link that is in this space. There is a quiz, as you see. Quiz weather and seasons. What the weather like? It's raining, it's sunny, it's cloudy, it's windy. Oh, it's a mistake, but it's windy. So then I'm wearing hat and a scarf. It's windy, cloudy, it's cold, it's snowy, it's cold. Okay, let's move on. I'm wearing my raincoat and Willis. It's raining. Okay, it's cold. I'm wearing a hat and a scarf. Yes, it is. I forgot a kite. It's sunny, it's windy, it's hot, it's windy because there is wind in the air. It's sunny. I'm wearing a sun hat. Yes, it is. Okay, what's your favorite season? Summer, it's spring, it's autumn, it's winter. But you see the picture in the end. It's summer. Okay. Okay, what's your favorite season? It's summer, it's spring, it's winter, it's autumn. It's winter because you see the picture. Okay, what's your favorite season? It's summer, it's autumn, it's spring, it's winter. It's winter. Okay, and the last one, what's your favorite season? As you see in the picture, there are some leaves in the different color. It's autumn. Okay, the quiz has a 10 quiz. Excuse me. The quiz has 10 question. Okay, so we have 9 because we have one mistake. But let's move on to the hair. Well, as you see, there is all the class, and we spend in this class 45 minutes in all this. So that is an interesting topic, the weather and season, and it's a pleasure to can explain. It's a pleasure can explain this a little bit because I think it's to help more people, more teacher, and that is all for me in this opportunity. I appreciate your time, and I hope you come back with me and we can show another plans, maybe a lesson plan, but this plan is for class online. Thank you for your time. I appreciate, as you say in the presentation, Canva presentation. Thank you for this opportunity. Bye bye.